Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can save a project plan in MS Project. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management. So let's just start. Friend, first of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, today's topic is that how we can save a project plan in MS Project. Friend, MS Project is a very easy tool to use for project management and for using or for making our project plans. So let's just start, friend. See, basically we have already entered few tasks in the MS Project. So this is our very simple project plan. Now we want to save this plan. So here on the file option, click on the file option. Here is the option available, save. Click on the save option and then you can save the project as per your requirement, as per your location. For example, if you want to save, select the location, then select the name of the project here, and see the location, the extension of the file is .mpp, so which is basically Microsoft project plan, and you can simply save the file as per your requirement, as per the need. You can save it here. It is the way. Also friend, once you want to open the file again, so you can click here and click on open and select the location where you have, like we have already saved it there. So click on the file and you can open the file as per your requirement. Friend, whenever you are opening a file, recent projects will be shown, so you can go there and, for example, here is the option project information, and in the advanced section you can see the information like how many documents, how many projects you want to show it in the recent section. So you can select it and you can increase this number as per your requirement as well. Also friend, you can remember that you can open more than more than two projects or more than one project. For example, if I save like that, and if I save as with a different name, for example project 3, for example. Okay, so once you save it, remember the file name like project 3 will be displayed here. So right now we have two projects open. Okay, like for example one project is already open. If I open one more project, okay, so here if you noticed, maybe you notice that two projects basically we have opened, and you can similar and simultaneously work on like this and this. Basically you can open two projects simultaneously, and you can switch between these two. Also you can use the alt tab like that to switch the required project. Okay, so this is also another option available for you, so that you can easily work accordingly. Okay, so friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.